Hey, how's everyone doing? Hope everyone's good out there, staying safe. So that's some new stuff for you here I think you guys will be interested with. We know that there's a lot of different manufacturers having issues right now with these newer vehicles, and one of the most popular automakers right now has a big issue on their hands, and these cars have been gaining traction in recent years. It's a popular sedan. So let me get into exactly what's going on and how you guys can stay protected against this big problem they're having. So a lot of you know that there's been some automakers that have been gaining traction in the recent years, and one of them is Hyundai. Recently, they've been gaining traction as far as reliability goes, actually jumping some of the rivals. And I see a lot of people post about these cars, that they love them and all that kind of stuff, but I want to go over something that just came out with these. So the NHTSA has just issued a recall of over 250,000 Kia K5 sedans from 2021 to 2024. And on top of that, 85,000 Hyundai Sonatas from 2020 to 2023. Like I said, these are actually very popular. The K5 I know has picked up a lot of traction in recent years. But here's the big problem with this, is they're saying the purge control system, and this controls the direction of airflow from the canister to the engine on vehicles equipped with a 1.6 liter turbocharged engine, could deteriorate, and this would allow pressurized air to flow from the intake manifold into the fuel tank. And if this were to happen, the fuel tank would expand and make contact with the exhaust pipe, which would lead to it melting and having an explosion. So again, it's something that's catastrophic that could just ignite a huge fire without you even knowing it. So of course, the Hyundai dealers will inspect and replace the check valve. And along with that, the fuel tank will also be inspected and replaced if they deem it necessary. And along with that, the dealers will also inspect and update the engine control unit. And like all recalls, if you guys had any money out of pocket that you spent for this in relation to the gas tank or anything like that, of course, save your receipts and you'll be reimbursed for this. It just goes to show you that manufacturers today, they just aren't building cars like they used to. Before, cars would be flawless, with the exception of a few would have issues here and there that they would fix. But now we're talking about major issues like this, for example, that can burn your car down without you even knowing that it's going to ignite because of some issue from the factory. So I'm always a believer, if you guys have an older vehicle that's working good for you, I would hold on to it, because, to jump into a brand new car, and these cars aren't cheap. Before you can get cars for pretty inexpensive, but now the basic car costs you $30,000 at the low end. That's a lot of money to have an issue, something like this going on. You have to take it in, and will it ever be the exact same? Because most of the time when the vehicle gets torn down for major issues like this, they usually don't drive quite the same. So something to think about before you jump into your next car purchase. Decide if you really need a brand new car. Maybe your car is breaking down a lot, then I could see that. But if it's something to get something new and better, just realize that better might not be what you think it is. Because there are a lot more issues, no matter, I've covered BMW, Lexus, Toyota, Hondas, and Acuras, Hyundai, they all have their issues, and some of them are major. So just take that into consideration before you make your next purchase. So again, I just want to bring this to your attention. Hope it helps some of you guys. Hope everyone's having a good day out there. I appreciate it. Any questions, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.